Welcome to you all. Your question is integration 0 to pi by 4 sin theta plus cos theta upon plus 6 sin 2 theta d theta. Here sin theta, cos theta and sin 2 theta. It is known that sin 2 theta can be expressed in terms of sin theta cos theta because of sin theta, that is equal to, we may write to sin theta cos theta. So let sin 2 theta, that is y. So to express this sin 2 theta to sin theta cos theta, so let us integrate sin theta plus cos theta d theta, that is equal to integration of sin theta minus cos theta integration sin theta. So may or may not write C. So after differentiation, cos theta will be minus sin theta plus sin theta differentiation cos theta. So we will get sin theta plus cos theta. So we have to express this thing in terms of multiply both sides by minus 1 minus theta is equal to minus y. We are doing so because of we have to get a minus b whole square form. So adding both side 1, what means we are now adding writing 1 is equal to sin square theta as per formula plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to y. Here we have written this. Now for this expression we may write sin theta minus cos theta whole square or cos theta minus sin theta whole square. Actually a minus b whole square, whenever square will be removed or will be taken out square root, then modulus of time taken. So what should I write? Cos theta minus sin theta whole square or sin theta minus, here doing. If we write cos theta minus sin theta whole square, actually in this case a minus b whole square, a should be greater than. See, if we draw the graph of y-axis, x-axis, this sine graph roughly drawn and this is roughly drawn cos graph. See, this is pi by 4 up to this distance pi by 4. So within range 0 to pi by 4, the graph of cos upper hand is upper curve. So cos theta minus sin theta whole square, correct, because in the range 0 to pi by 4 cos theta is greater than, that is equal to root over. Now what should we do? Cos theta minus sin, that is equal, differentiate this with respect to y. What will be cos theta differentiation minus sin theta differentiation cos theta in bracket d theta y 1 by 2 root over 1 minus y minus 1 when differentiate 1 with respect to y. So taking out minus common, minus sin theta plus cos theta. Now right, d theta is writing here minus 1 by 2 root over 1 minus y dy to y, or y is equal to sine theta. If theta is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. If theta is equal to pi by 4, y is equal to 1. Pi by 4 sine pi by 4 sine pi by 2 sine 9 to 1. Now see, integration, original integration 0 to 1 sine theta plus cos theta d theta. Minus minus will be cancelled out, equal to dy by 2 root over 1 minus y, 2 over 1 minus y into what is 9 plus 16, 9 plus 16 y. Now to integrate this is of the form integration dx by x plus b equal to root over px plus q. So let over 1 minus y is equal to getting p, or 1 minus y is equal to square, or y is equal to minus p square. Now dy is equal to minus p dp. Now substitute again, y is equal to 0, p is equal to y is equal to 0, p is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 0, p is equal to 0. So actually integration 1 to 0, dy is equal to minus p dp, y over 1 minus y is equal to p, 9 plus 16, y is equal to 1 minus. Now simplify, 2 will get cancelled, this p will get cancelled. Now see, remove minus, changing the limits. So that is equal to integration 0 to 1 dp, after opening the bracket, this will be 16, 9 plus 16 25 minus 16 p square. That is equal to, this is equal to 4p whole square, we may write. So let 4p, that is equal to q. So if p is equal to 0, p is equal to 0, p is equal to 1, 4, dp equal to dq, dp is equal to dq by 4. Is 4. Now substitute 0 to 4, dp is equal to 1 by 4 dq, 5 square minus, what is the actually formula, or directly do 1 by 4 5 plus q into 5 minus q formula. Writing here 5 plus q minus, after simplification what will be coming? 5 minus q minus 5 plus q minus 5 minus q. So this should be plus, what is 5 minus q plus 5 plus q? Q cancel, 5 plus 5 10. So here 1 by 10. So 1 by 40. After integrating, log of 5 plus q plus log of 5 minus, here is minus, so here will be 1 by 1, 0 to 4. Now put first 4 then 0, 1 by 40 log of 5 plus 4 9, log 9 minus, whenever 0 is put to the q, then minus log 5, or this minus is whenever put log 1 minus minus plus log 5, log 5 cancelled, log 1 0, so log 9, log 9 means 2 by 40, log 3 as log 9, that is equal to log square t, hence 20, finally 1 by 20 log 1 by 20 log 3. Therefore the answer is integration 4 sin x plus cos x by 9 plus 10 sin 2x dx, or theta, whatever may be, that is equal to 1 by 3 log 3. Thank you.